what does it mean to be a critical thinker? That, my friend, requires a colorful answer. The colors of critical are here to help you brighten your life with critical thinking skills so you can become the most powerful thinker you can be. Critical thinking is intentional. It investigates in a very thorough and in-depth way. Intentionality is about strengthening our ability to direct and maintain our mental attention. With this emphasis, thinkers can intuitively cultivate their own approach to the world by developing tools and strategies that help them engage with knowledge in ways that are personally resonating and comprehensive. Critical thinking is essential. It uncovers the absolutely indispensable elements. Essential means thinkers have the skills to determine what things are truly important. This is just the academic skill, finding the main idea, applied to real life. Critical thinkers develop their own sense of sight to discover what is crucial, learn to wield this power in any situation, and create habits of maintaining what matters most. Critical thinking is consequential. It cultivates important and urgent decision-making. Consequential allows thinkers to uncover the link between the decision-making process in our minds and the real-world results our choices create. Critical thinkers reckon with this tremendous responsibility and come out on the other side exhilarated by the fact that this burden is born of the great power of world transformation in their hands. Critical thinking is independent. It evokes confidence to think creatively and divergently. Independence is the fertile soil where critical thinkers thrive. Only those who think for themselves and become original individuals can bravely break from the old and do something new, unique, and creative with their words and actions. People in a critical thinking space are free to be authentic with both their personality and thought. Critical thinking is empowering. It sparks action that is both meaningful and enlightened. Empowerment is the ultimate goal of critical thinking. Our intelligence is not meant to be cooped up in our minds, but alive in the world with our action. Critical thinkers harness the enlightenment they gain through learning as fuel to wield their unique power to act and transform the world around them in constructive ways. Watch The Colors of Critical live each weekday morning to do a deep dive into each of these critical thinking elements and brighten your life with the colors of critical thinking.